Hi, I want to teach you today in this video. If you decide to have a channel, upload the first video to one to settings. It needs let me verify explain it to you. If you are running a YouTube channel and the information is fine for you, please stay tuned to the end of the video. I am Omar and this YouTube channel is IQWit. We provide ideas about YouTube, provides secured and information of YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and write any question or suggestion in the comments. The YouTube channel has some setting that you should do first to make sure everything is correct. But first we have to go to YouTube studio. Now we are in the YouTube studio space. We have nothing, no status, no videos, no. We are working with the setting. Part we will open the setting and I will explain it as soon as possible. First one, general options. We have a currency and default unit. There is a dollar and default currency can be chosen. Step 2. The channel option is to select the country in the first basic info. For monetization, let's choose the Arabic Emirates and click on it. Okay, let's come now keywords audit. For example, YouTube and create YouTube. Now let's add advanced setting is not here for kids to choose my channel because American federal law is for children. Let's get to the bottom. Advertisements below is not to be selective because it creates problem later. Now let's take a look at the future eligibility of channel verify. If the channel can't be verified, no more than 15 minutes of video not upload and not have a custom thumbnails for video, click on the verify phone number option. First click on your country, then add the phone number and click on the next. SMS is coming for you now. Add the code, click on the sub option. Title option, you can upload default option. The general title added here, adding a description for the channel and the description option. This is then added to each video itself. Okay, let's go visibility. Click on public option. Now adding tags about the channel. You can add up to 500 characters. Now it's come advanced setting. Categories select. We click on education, for example. Now let's click video language and select English. Now let's comment here. If we choose basic, step 4. Let's go community options. Here we can audit administrator for the channel. Okay, now click on the sub option. Our setting is completed. Step 5. Now let's go to YouTube studio and the left side here is customizing channel. Click on. Let's go to the branding option. Here's add a profile picture per channel. Also added banner for the channel. The sizes should be 2080 and 1152 pixels in less than 6 MB. The watermark we add here appears here in your video.
In the right side.
Now let's see the video watermark options and click on the publish option. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, to like and comments. Wait for me next video. God bless you for now.